Hello, my name's James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your closed captions or subtitles from a Microsoft Stream video onto your desktop computer in order to add those closed captions using video editing software to the video to upload to other platforms. This may sound like a complicated task, and it's not a trivial one, but is very useful if you wish to get the videos you've uploaded to Microsoft Streams on other video platforms in order to preserve the closed captions. So a little bit of background here. Microsoft Streams will automatically generate closed captions or subtitles for any video you upload to it. So this may be a recording you've made in Microsoft Teams, or simply a video that you've uploaded yourself and selected it to generate closed captions. You can view or hide the closed captions by clicking on the CC icon on the bottom of your video playback screen. The closed captions are listed down the side, on the right, and using the little pen icon you can edit the transcript just in case there are any mistakes. So I want to get this video from Microsoft Streams, and I want to download the closed captions also from Microsoft Streams so I can edit them offline. So to download the video, I click on the three little dots, the More Actions, and I choose Download Video. And there we are. The video is now downloading into my download folder. To access the closed captions, again I click on the three little dots and choose Update Video Details. And over on the right hand side where the closed captions have been generated, I can choose to download the closed captions file. And there we go. Now I can load up my video editing software. I've loaded the video that I've downloaded from Microsoft Stream into Camtasia. Camtasia is a very useful video editing application. It's not great for doing Hollywood movies, but for doing tutorials and these kind of webcasts, it is incredibly handy. Luckily, it also allows the import of closed captions. So, what do I need to do to get my closed captions from Microsoft Streams into Camtasia so they show on the screen alongside the video I've just imported? Well, there are a few little tweaks you need to do. And to understand what these tweaks are, we need to understand a little bit about what closed captions actually are. A closed captions file is just a text file in which all of your words are written, the transcription of your video or your audio is written down, and allocated to a start and end point. So when you import it into your video editing software, the video editing software knows where in the timeline to put the video. Traditionally, these files are in a specific format designed to be understood by all video editing software. And this is an SRT file, so a file with the extension SRT. Interestingly, Microsoft Stream, when it saves its closed caption file, does not comply fully with the SRT format. There are a few little tweaks you need to do to your video file. So let's load up the video file that we've already downloaded. Here it is on the screen. Most of what you see on the screen here is not needed. All of these funny numbers and letters are not required, but they also don't get in the way, so we don't need to delete them or edit them. You will see underneath this there is a start and end. This is starting at 5 seconds 0.770 and ending at 8 seconds 0.680 and shows the first caption, which is great. Unfortunately, this file format uses a small change that is not required in the SRT file format. This small difference is the fact it uses a decimal place and not a comma to separate seconds and milliseconds. We can very easily change this. I'm using the standard Mac text editor, but Windows has its own text editor you can use, and by using Edit, Find and Replace, I can replace all of the decimal places with commas. Now, that's fixed it, so I'll save that. Now I just need to change the file suffix to SRT, and then Camtasia will know how to load it. So going to my file, I simply click on the file name and I .srt. My Mac will ask me if I want to add this, so I say yes, And now this file is a .srt file. So going back to Camtasia, I can go to the File, Import, Captions, and I can choose this newly formed SRT file. And now immediately on the screen you can see the first of the closed captions, and as I scroll through my video all of the captions appear on the screen. The captions file is hidden within this new bar that's appeared, but if I click on Properties and Show Caption Track, you will see that all of the captions appear in these little boxes, and if I click on each of these boxes I can then edit the captions for each of these individual sections.
The little icon there is a small camera.
So this is an incredibly powerful way of getting auto-generated closed captions from your Microsoft Stream uploads onto other video platforms. It is complicated and will require some technical knowledge and skill, but if I can do it, you can do it. Good luck.